What's up, guys? If you watched the previous videos to this one, you'll know that I've been trying to trade up to a new toolbox, and I got one. Now, it's not exactly what I wanted, but I think it's gonna work out great because I have a couple ideas of how to organize things. Let me show you. Now, these are the two boxes I've been using for a few years now. They're both just small Craftsman, and they've done the trick, but not exactly what I want. And here's the new box I picked up, all in its glory, baby. So the plan was to buy and sell items to flip up until I got to around $1,000 to get a massive, huge toolbox that I wanted. However, I put that green air compressor that I restored, which I'll link the video up here, and a guy responded almost immediately and said, "Hey, I got a toolbox that I'll trade for you." So I took a look and said, for a $65 investment, I'll take it. So the idea here is I have drawers like this that have my electrical stuff in there, and I really don't have a lot of space. Especially since I have extra wire here, I got extra wire hanging out over here, I got an LED strip light that I need to install, and I want all that stuff in one drawer, but I just don't really have the space with these little toolboxes. But this toolbox has a couple good, long, deep drawers that I should be able to fit all that stuff into. Now the other tricky drawer is where I keep my impact stuff. So I got all sorts of impact sockets here, standard, metric. I got some randos here, I got attachments. I also have my electric impact. And this drawer is heavy and it's not really liking all that weight. And I got drawers like this with my corded hammer drills and drill stuff. And I also have a whole bunch of grinders and stuff in the bottom drawer here. But this new box has a pretty cool cabinet that opens up here on the left. So the plan is to put another shelf in the middle there, but check this out. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use this for yet, but this drawer slides right out. So this is gonna be a big step up. And I don't know what I'm gonna put in here, but I'll put something in there. The other cool thing is that both of these boxes are sitting about 30.5 inches tall. And my huge new tool bench that I just put in is sitting at about 32 inches right here. So those boxes can slide right underneath. And I have enough surface area on top of here to fit that red top box. And then the gray one, I'll figure something else out with that. And my other thought is that I have this open space here that I have my welder and I got my scrap steel and stuff. This is 44 inches from here to the wall. The box is 43 inches. So that could even slide right in here. Now, I know it's not the glamorous toolbox that I was originally looking for, but again, 65 bucks, you can't beat that. I'm probably gonna end up sanding down most of the surface, getting this surface rust off, giving it a fresh coat of red paint, and then it'll sort of look like a new box. We'll see. Honestly, I'm just excited that I have more storage space because now with more space, I can get more tools. Well, I appreciate you guys watching. More to come. You guys take care.